Now, in this lesson, we are going to look at how to update our Facebook account. Now, to do that, let's open our web browser. And in the search box, let's search for Facebook/signin. Over here, let's click on log in or sign up. Now, in case yours does not open like this and it shows up like this, then all that you have to do is that you enter your username and your password. After that, you click on login to open your Facebook account. Now, since we want to update our account, let's click on the account name. In this case, mine is Karis Dadzie. Now, as you can see, this is our Facebook account and it looks so empty. So we need to fill it up. Now, to begin with, let's upload our profile picture. Click on it, and here you can choose a picture from your PC or create an avatar. I'm going to choose a picture. Click on upload. This is the picture I want to use, so I'm going to click on open. Now over here, I can do some small editing. I can shift it to position it just like I want it. And I can equally zoom in or zoom out using either the minus or the plus sign. So I want to zoom in a bit, zoom in out a bit, and I think this is perfect. When you are done, click on save. And as you can see, we have successfully uploaded our profile picture. Next, let's upload our cover photo. Now, as you can see, I don't have a cover photo yet. And to get one, we are going to use a free software called Canva. Canva is free to use. Click on the plus sign to create another tab and search for Canva. Over here, let's use the first link. Now, I have already signed in, so it will take me to display. If you've not signed in, you would have to create an account or use your Gmail to log in. Now, to create our cover photo, in the search box, let's search for cover image. And over here, we have a variety of free templates that we can use for our cover photo. In this case, I'm going to select this one. Click on it. Click on customize this template. And over here, you can edit it just like you want it. I don't need this picture, so I can click on it and delete it. Now, I don't need this text as well. I only need the background image. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the other text. Now you can go ahead and do the editing just like you want it. This is what I want. Now over here, you can choose the type that you want to save it. So either JPEG, PNG, PDF, or you can even print it. And there are other formats that you can save it as well. But in this case, I'm going to choose PNG. When you are done, click on download. And as you can see, our cover image has been successfully downloaded. Now once you are done, you can go back to Facebook and upload the cover photo. So mine will be under download. So this is the cover photo I just created. Click on open. And equally over here, you can drag to make some adjustments. When you are done, We click on save. And we've successfully uploaded our cover photo. Now, click on edit profile. Over here is bio. So the bio is to describe yourself. I'm going to leave that one for now. Now, customize your intro. These are the things that your friends will see about you. Over here, let's click on add. And the first one is the pronouns. I'm going to leave that one as well. Workplace. I'm not going to add my workplace. Education. Your high school, college. So I'm going to add that one. So I'll click on the high school. And over here, I'm going to click on it to enter my college. So I'll enter New Generation Senior High School. So that's the only thing I'm going to add for now. I'll leave the description and then my college. I'll enter now. When I'm done, I'll click on save. So as you can see, I've successfully added that. Now you can choose to share or not. I'm going to go to the next one, which is place leaked. So add your current city. So my current city here is Accra. My hometown, Mankesim in Central. And over here, you can choose to make it public or friends, or you can choose for you only you to see it, or you can select some specific friends. Any option you choose, but I'm going to select public. So once I'm done, I can click on save to save the changes. Now, next one is basic contact info. Now over here, add phone number. I wouldn't like to add my phone number. Now, website and social links. So I don't have a website yet, so I'm not going to add a website, but I do have some social links. So if you want to add a social link, click on it and click on add a social link. Over here, I'm going to add my Instagram, and it's at DJ and then I'll click on add to add more. And when you click on the drop down, you have more options. So here I'm going to select WhatsApp and I'll add my number to it. Now I'm only going to add these two, so you can add more, and I'll click on save. Once I'm done, I can also add some info, and over here I think the info here is okay, so I'm not going to edit anything here. Again, you can come to family and relationship. So relationship is for your marital status, whether you are married or you are single. I'm not going to touch on that. family members. You can choose to add family members over here as well. Now let's go to the details about you. Now over here, you would have to write something about yourself, and then you can add the pronunciation to it. And if you had other names like your nickname or birth name, you can add it. Here, I'm going to add my nickname. So I'll click on, and then I'll select nickname. If you want, you can choose other names as well to add it, but I'm going to choose my nickname. And my nickname is Password. Well, that's my nickname. So show at the top of your profile. I want it to be seen, so I'll click on yes, and when I'm done, I click on save. So say too many capital letters. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one and make the rest small letters, and then click on save. It has been successfully added. Now next, favorite quote. To add a favorite quote, yes, I'll click on it. My favorite quote is all is well. And I'll put that in a quotation mark, and I'll click on save. The next one is live event, and I'm not going to touch on that. So once you are done, you can go back and refresh your page. And you can see the changes you've made. So this is my nickname, and these are the other information that I added. You can add more. Next, let's click on add hobby. So me, I'm going to select listening to music, dancing, and football. These are the two things that I'm going to add. Sorry, 3 things that I'm going to add. And I'll save. And as you can see, all the changes we've made has appeared here, and you can choose and you can add more details based on your interest. For now, this is what I'm going to add.